Jane of the jungle.
There it goes.
You know you're dangerous with that thing.
I know, I'm having too much fun. I found a new love. His name is Arnaldo. I really probably should be wearing pants and like gloves,
Maybe.
but meh.
This is what happened when husband goes for a
To
30-minute 30-minute nap.
Oh, you want to take a nap, Hector?
Wait until he gets up.
He's gonna be like, what happened?
What are you doing? Oh my God.
Cricket went on my face! Did you see it? All I saw in my glasses was cricket butt.
I didn't see anything.
I just want to play them.
I'm gonna drink water. Almost peed my pants. It's like cricket booty. Ah, okay, go ahead.
I'm sweating.
Go put it in your piggy bank.
No. Come here.
Okay.
Ina, come here.
Okay, let's go. Oh, there's the cricket. It's a cricket. That's a little friend. That's what she said. She doesn't want to go on it because the cricket's there. Mr. Cricket. Hi, Mr. Cricket. He's having fun. You see him? Mom is destroying his...
So, when the mother-in-law comes to visit, we do yard work. I chainsaw, she rakes.
Seriously. It's not joke.
She's raking all the stuff that I killed with the chainsaw. That's actually a lot. Like, you can't tell on camera, but like I actually did a lot. It looks terrible, but like I did that. Ooh, ooh. No, I didn't go poo-poo. That's like a leaf. Mommy's sweaty. Mommy just got done working in the yard.
You got up?
Yeah, I got it all.
You got in your hair?
Uh-huh.
I'm scared with that.
Oh, hot, sweaty,
I want food.
dirty.
I want food.
You want food?
Yeah.
You've got a one-track mind.
No, I want food.
Oh, okay. Give me a kiss.
Mommy, I'm gonna get up.
There's Uncle Pete, Claire's slippers, and Milo. And Mommy's dead.